Can my harmony in my heart break the contradiction in his soul? Or are we destined to play a never-ending duel of inner conflict?
I met Angela on the street. She was a street singer, playing her heart out for anyone who would listen, and I was immediately drawn to her talent and passion.
I like your eyes, you look away when you pretend not to care. I like the dimples on the corners of the smile that you wear. I like you more, the world may know, but don't be scared, 'cause I'm falling deeper, baby, be prepared. I like your shirt, I like your fingers, love the way they you smell.
As I stared at her, I realized when our eyes connected, it's like our hearts did too. Our words collided, and I couldn't ignore the glaring difference between our lifestyle. We fell in love, but soon I realized that Angela had been struggling to make ends meet in her life.
Angela! Ano ba? Ilang buwan ka nang hindi nakakabayad ng upa mo? Bibigyan kita ng 1 linggo.
Miss Joyce, 2 months. 2 months kaya ko nang bayaran.
2 months? Ilang buwan mo na rin sinabi yan?
Miss Joyce, gipit ako.
Mas gipit ako. Ang dami nagkakainteresado sa apartment na inuupahan mo. Bibigyan kita ng 1 linggo kapag yan, hindi ka pa nakahanap ng titirhan mo. Palalayasin na talaga kita. Lahat ng gamit mo, ilalagay ko sa labas. Naiintindihan mo ba yun?
Uy, hello.
Nagawa mo dito.
Pinibisita ka? Okay ka lang ba?
Tingin mo. Pasok.
Abot nga pala nakaraan. Would you like me to help?
No. I'm good. Hindi ko kailangan tulong ngayon.
No. I'm willing to help you.
I said no. I don't need your money. Bakit ba hindi ka nakikinig? Angela.
I have to talk to you. This is not working out. So I'm going to let you go.
Ma'am, hindi mo sa akin pwede gawin to. May nangangailangan ako.
I made the choice and that's it.
Ma'am! Ma'am, please!
No, there's someone to let you go.
I couldn't turn a blind eye to the brutal realities she faced on the daily basis, which promoted my driver to make a difference in her life. Angela, napansin ko kasi may passion ka sa music. So, sinuggest ko sa kaibigan ko na kunin ka. Gusto mo ba?
I said I don't need help from anyone.
I know, I just...
Sabi nga ayoko! Kanina ka pa!
Alright.
Sino ka? Bakit ka nandito?
Sino ka?
Will I ask you?
Abay naman natin.
Angela?
Isa.
Oh, Angela is your first right?
Hindi kasi Angela sino.
Sige, that's what I call myself. Mind you, it's 7 already. Pwede mo siya. Ginawa mo. Ginugulo mo yung buhay mo. I'm just protecting you. Don't blame me. This is the real me. I will never hit you. Trust me.
Stay away from here. She's dangerous.
What? Who are you?
I'm her sister.
I thought she's an orphan now.
She killed our parents. No, not her, but still, she killed them.
Did it?
So, leave now while you can.
Ikaw! Kayong dalawa! Ang may kasalanan kung bakit ulit ang nanay nyo!
a long way, but there is still much work to be done. Our journey became a dramatic exploration of self-discovery, differences, acceptance, and pain.
I'll find you again. As long as the universe smile, I will never vanish. Time will be hard, but it won't be long till we reunite.